Today, Ox-hearth cabbage salad with tangerines. Hello everybody, I'm Dave, and from my back garden I'll be making delicious food that everybody can make. Let me show you around. This is Dinner with Dave. The Ox-hearth cabbage, one of the vegetables I really think it's underrated. Not a lot of people are making amazing dishes with this amazing piece of vegetable. We've got it here on our lands in the Netherlands. It's growing here and it's really healthy. I know it could be a little bit bitter, but with this dish, I really think you're gonna enjoy it. We're gonna make it with tangerine, with some cashew nuts and a little bit of mayonnaise. So I really think everybody can make it. It's easy to make, it's not taking a lot of time, but it's amazing. The taste is really great. So let's start, and first we're gonna start off with cutting the cabbage. So we've got the place where it grew. Gonna cut it up, and as you can see in the middle it's like really hard. So we're gonna cut it in the middle, and there we can see the really hard part, and we're gonna cut it out. So be careful there. Be careful for your fingers. And as easy as this, you're gonna delete it, you're gonna remove it. So that's one. And also the other one. That's number two. Easy as that. So yes, now cutting time. I'm gonna make some nice small strokes. I don't want it too big because it's gonna be bitter. So nice thin strokes. And if you see some hard parts, you can always remove them, so no problem. Second part. Nice thin strokes, guys. And this is a really nice dish as a side dish. Imagine yourself making some nice roasted potatoes with a nice piece of meat. It's really hot on the barbecue, and this is a really nice side dish. I think because of the tangerines, everybody will enjoy it. And as you can see, we've got a little bit of a hard part here. You can try to cut it really small, then it won't be that bad. Or you can just remove it. I'm picking for the first option, I'm going for the first option. Try to cut it really small. And if you got some really big pieces, you can always delete it. Like this, really hard part. And then cut it as small as possible. So, part one is already done. Not that hard, guys. Really not that hard. And it's gonna be a full bowl, because if you're gonna tear it up, then it would really turn out to be big, really big. So we're gonna take a bowl, put everything in there, try to loosen it up a little bit. And we've got it nice into the bowl. Then the next part, we're gonna take a spoon, some mayonnaise, and we're gonna add a couple of tablespoons of mayonnaise through there until we've got enough to make it nice and smooth. So first we're gonna add some mayonnaise. You never know when you have enough. I mean, sometimes the cabbage is really big, sometimes it's small. So you need to work your way until it's nice and smoothie. And then you're just gonna mix it all together. As you can see, it's still kind of dry. So I need to add a little bit more. Working my way to the bottom. So I'm gonna add 2 more tablespoons. 1 and number 2. And then we're gonna take the tangerines. I've got tangerines on syrup. So that's not that bad. Nice and sweet. And we're gonna add a little bit of the syrup here into this dish. So 2 tablespoons, I guess, to make it a little bit lighter. And make sure every little bit of cabbage got a little bit of this sauce. And again, if you see some hard parts, you can always remove them like this. It's a little bit hard. I'm just gonna remove it. And now you see everything's not too heavily covered with the dressing. But it's not too bad. So we're gonna add some salt and pepper. I like to put a lot of pepper on it, 4 seasoned peppers. There we go. Mix it all up. And then we're gonna add the tangerines. Well, we've got a little bit too much moist in there. So I'm gonna try to put it in without all the moist. Nice whole tangerines. And of course I washed my hands, guys. I washed my hands. So, gonna be in there. Mix it all up again. And that's giving that nice little sweet taste in there. So there we go. The tangerines. Next part, gonna put it right there. Some cashew nuts. Gonna take a handful on the cutting board. Grab your knife and don't make it too small, but just give it a nice cut. All the small pieces will add the nice nutty flavor. So there we go. Take the bowl. Adding the nuts. And mix it all up. Also, don't forget to take the pieces on the bottom. And this is done. So we can make up a plate and have a nice salad. So time to plate up. Gonna grab the bowl, clean everything up. Gonna get myself a nice plate. Take a nice chunk of this salad. There we go. Add a few nuts on there, a few cashew nuts. Make it nice, make it look nice. A little bit of chives. Add a few chives on there for the extra little bit of flavor. And there we go, guys, my cabbage salad. So let's taste. Oh man, I can't really wait. That crunch of the fresh cabbage, the sweetness of the tangerines, the crush of the nut. I would say make it, guys. Make it, make it, make it. So, if you like this dish, then put your thumbs up. If you want to see more of me making dishes, then let me know in the comments. Leave your thumbs up. Response on Facebook, you can find the link down below. Response on Instagram. Maybe I'm gonna see you next time. This was Dave from Dinner with Dave. Thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we're gonna see each other next time. Bye bye.